this light. It's so weird. You can't see my face. I want to sit beside you. Hi, everybody. Before you guys go.
I don't want to go.
But you have to buy something for your communion.
Daddy can go.
Hi, everybody. May bisita po ako ngayon dito sa set dahil birthday ko.
Yeah.
Kumusta ko yung lahat? Hi, everyone. Medyo ngongo. May konting sipon. Lucas here. Hi, baby. Thank you sa lahat po ng bumati ng happy birthday. Hi, Miss Camille. Hi, Bianca. I love you. I miss you. Akala ko nakalimutan mo na. Hi, everybody. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Sa lahat po ng bumati sa akin ng happy birthday. Hi, Sue! Uy, Sue, nag-hello si Sue sa'yo, oh. Hi, Olivia. Ate Sue said hi. Busy siya makeup. Pakita mo yung eyelashes mo. Wow. Hi! Hi, Mar! Hi, Japet! Thank you, Mar! Thank you, Japet! Hey, Jason! Sa lahat po ng bumati ng happy birthday, maraming salamat po. Bianca, akala ko nakalimutan mo na eh. See you Sunday. Hi, hello daw, Bobby. Thank you. Siya lang gumawa niya, no? Thank you so much sa lahat ng bumati. Anjo! Hi! Hi, Anjo! Stay safe. Thank you. Congratulations on your new baby. Beauty supporter, maraming salamat. Farah, sa lahat na nakakaalala kay Farah, maraming salamat po. Hi, Olivia. Happy birthday po. Tito Rans, thank you. Beauty supporter, thank you. Hi, baby girl. Gandang bata na. Ito yung the best gift ever. Next. Thank you, Sue. I love your travel photos. Nakaka-excite naman. Punta nga kaming Korea. She's in Korea, no? You have been there, pero ano ka pa lang nun? Baby ka pa lang. Or, ginawa na ba kita nung Korea? Ay! You were inside Mommy's tummy. The first time I went to Korea was with your lola. And the second time, you were inside my tummy. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Alvin, fitness trainer. Thank you, Coach Alvin. Thank you po sa lahat ng bumati. Ayan, yan si Ate Fe. Ayan si Norma. Ano yun bang? Nadapa pa?
No.
Hi everyone! Ngayon mga bisita ko. Oh, minsan lang yan nangyayari. Hi Christine Villano. Thank you. Baby K. Hello daw from Daddy Norman. Daddy Norman. Agree? Do you like it? Do you like the sound of it? Dada. Meldan! Happy Miss Beauty! Wow! Diyan ka lang sa katabi kong tent, maka Miss Beauty ka. Kaya narinig ko tawa mo. Nagtitake. Ang lakas ng tawa. Hey, Jade. Thank you. Shout out from Negros Occidental. Ala, ang lakas talaga nito. Wala pa palante. Ay, si Sir Paul Bambi o Papa Norman. Ano, tawa-tawa ka.
Hi, Sir Paul. Shoutout sa pamilya ko dyan, ah.
Ang saya niya. Aray, namula ako. Ang ingay mo, Melda. Nagtitake tayo. Umiiyak na dyan. Ano to? Hello from Isabella. Ano ba yan? Ngongo. Shout out from Jensen. Sa lahat po ng bumabati ng happy birthday, maraming salamat po. Mamaya, isa-isahin ko po kayo. Magre-reply po ako. And taray na Tagalog, may popopo. Ano na? Ano nang ginagawa mo dyan? What are you doing? You have to go now soon. Because you have to buy stuff for your communion. Uy, magko-communion na. Are you excited, baby? Yeah? Excited? Marunong ka na I believe, ano yun? Apo. Hindi ko na.
Process cake?
Oo.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Aray, ho. Ayaw mo mag-sample? I believe in God.
Only the first page,
Oh, ayaw na, mahaba na. O, sige, go. Sige nga. First page.
not the second.
Go na.
I believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord. That's it.
Shortcut. Well, at least, memorize mo na. I'm excited for you. Oh my God. O siya, thank you sa lahat ng bumabate.
Diyos sa lahat ng bumabait.
Ano sasabihin natin? Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, everybody.
Yun lang.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Okay,
Sa
sige.
followers ko.
Sa followers ko. May followers ka? Ilan na ba followers mo?
50,000.
Wow. Where should they follow you?
Instagram.
What's your name? What's your Instagram name?
Olivia Ness. Rizalco.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for visiting Mommy today. I love you.
I don't want to go.
You don't wanna go? Go where?
I don't want to go. I don't want to leave.
You don't wanna leave.
You have to go now. Let's go.
Oh. Paano ba yan? Aching na ako. Bye-bye, guys. Love you.